Assalomu alaykum. Yangi darsimizni boshlaymiz. Hello, we'll start our new lesson, and in this video we will learn lots of words in Uzbek and also practice the way we can pronounce them. Tayyormisiz? Ketdik. So in this video I've selected the most frequent words in Uzbek language, and especially the ones you can learn in the beginning when you're just starting learning language. And I've put them in alphabetical order, and also we will highlight the way you should read them, the way you should pronounce them. I would like to remind you that in Uzbek alphabet we have 30 symbols, out of which 26 letters, 3 digraphs, and 1 symbol. So we have lots of words that start with all of these letters, with these 2 digraphs, but with ng and tutuq belgisi, we don't have words that that start the word with these symbols. Okay, so for now we will go with each letter, and with each letter we will learn at least 3-4 words. When you put them all together, that will be at least 90 words. So in this video you can learn at least 90 new nouns. We have some adjectives, pronouns, and also you can learn pronunciation, and also you can check yourself which of these words you already know, which of these words you don't know, and also practice your pronunciation. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video when we don't have any grammar, we don't have any rules, we don't have any sentences. We just have words. Başladık. A harfi. Harf is letter. The letter A in Uzbek alphabet comes first, and these are the most popular words we have, starting with A. Asal, honey. Asal, asal. And even if I would like to address to my closest person and say honey, I still say asal or asalam. Asalam is my honey. Asalam. I can also call my daughter asalam or asalcham, which is little honey. Asal, anar, pomegranate, anar. Very popular. Lots of brands are named anar. Archa, Christmas tree. Archa, ayık, bear. Asal, anar, archa, ayık. Read it with me. Asal, anar, archa, ayık. Okay, good. Let's move on. The next letter is B. B harfi. Beş, 5. Give me 5. Beşteşe. We say beşteşe means give me 5. Burun, nose. Bolala, bolala, children. And pay attention, I'm not reading the last R. Bolala. Bulut, bulut, cloud. Beş, burun, bolala, bulut. Okay, next one is D harfi. Keyingi harf D harfi. Daftar, notepad or notebook. Daraxt, tree. Darvoza, gates. Dars, lesson. We are having lesson. Bizda hozir dars bo'layapti. Dars. Daftar, daraxt, darvoza, dars. Read it with me. Daftar, daraxt, darvoza, dars. The next one is A sound. A. Eşik, door. Eşik. Ertak, tail. Ertak, tail. Echki, goat. Eşek, donkey. Eşik, ertak, echki, eşek. Eşik, ertak, echki, eşek. They are similar. Okay, the next one is F. F harfi, keyingi harf F harfi. Fil, fil, and over here the I is long I. Fil, which is elephant. Favora, favora, double V. Favora, fountain. Faiz, percent. Faiz, percent. Okay. Let's move to next sound, next letter. Gul, gilam, gilas. Gul is flower, gilam is carpet, gilas is cherry. Okay, let's read it together. Gul, gilam, gilas. And I would like to go back to letter A, so we can read them all together till this sound, till this letter. Okay, tayyormisiz? Boshladik. 2 marta o'qiymiz. 2 marta, 2 times. A. Asal, anor, archa, ayiq. Asal, anor, archa, ayiq. B. Besh, burun, bolala, bulut. Besh, burun, bolala, bulut. D harfi. Daftar, daraxt, darvoza, dars. Daftar, daraxt, darvoza, dars. Eshik, ertak, echki, eshak. Eshik, ertak, echki, eshak. Fil, favora, foiz. Fil, favora, foiz. Gul, gilam, gilas. Gul, gilam, gilas. So I told you we will work on our pronunciation. So every time you read it with me, you work on your pronunciation. Okay, let's move on. Tayyormisiz? Like bosishni unutmang. H harfi. Letter H. Hayvonlar. Not hayvonlar. Hayvonlar. R. You don't really hear it. Hayvonlar. Hammom. Bathroom. Hayvonlar is animals. Hammom, bathroom. Hojatxona, toilet. Hojatxona. The next letter is I. And because it comes in the beginning, it's usually long one. Ilon, snake. Ilon. Ip, thread. Ip. It, dog. It. Ish, work. Ish. Ilon, ip, it, ish. The next letter is J sound. Jahon, world. Jahon. Jawab, answer. Jawab. Jamoa, jamoa, team. Jahon, jawab, jamoa. Next letter is K. Kitab. Kitab, not kitab. Kitab. Kitab, book. Koptok. Koptok, ball. Kiyim, clothes. Kiyim, clothes. Keyingi harf, the next letter, L harfi. Lug'at. Lug'at, G sound. Lug'at. Lug'at. Dictionary. Lap, lip. Latta, washcloth. Lughat, lap, latta. The next one is M sound. Maktab, school. Maktab, muzqaymoq, ice cream. Muzqaymoq, muzqaymoq. Va meva, fruit. Maktab, muzqaymoq, meva. Keyingi harf N harfi. The next letter is N. Non, bread. Non, bread. Knock, pear. Knock, pear. Narvon, ladder. Narvon, ladder. Non, knock, narvon. The next one is O harfi. Oqat. And over here, V sound is not really bright. It's not a clear V. Oqat. It's like U. Oqat. Oqat is food. Oyoq kiyim, shoes. oyoq kiyim. Oshxona, kitchen. Xona is room. Oshxona, osh is also like food, like ovqat. Oshxona, kitchen. Also, osh is the synonym of plov. Ovqat, oyoq kiyim, oshxona. I would like to go back to the slide where we started. We stopped reading it and practicing pronunciation. It was the G sound. And from here till O, we'll read. Okay? O'qiymiz. Birga o'qiymiz, talaffuz qilamiz. Talaffuz qilamiz, we'll pronounce. 1, 2, 3. Ketdik. Gul, gilam, gilos. Gul, gilam, gilos. Hayvonlar, hammom, hojatxona. 2 marta. Hayvonlar, hammom, hojatxona. Ilon, ip, it, ish. Ilon, ip, it, ish. Keyingi harf J harfi. Jahon, javob, jamoa. Jahon, javob, jamoa. Keyingi harf K harfi. Kitob, koptok, kiyim. Kitob, koptok, kiyim. Keyingi harf L harfi. Lug'at, lab, latta. Lug'at, lab, latta. Keyingi harf M. The next letter M. Maktab, muzqaymoq, meva. Maktab, muzqaymoq, meva. Keyingi harf N harfi. Non, nok, narvon. Non, nok, narvon. Va keyingi harf O harfi. The next letter is O. Ovqat. Oyoq kiyim, oshxona. Ovqat, oyoq kiyim, oshxona. Okay, the next part of the letters is also coming. So we'll read it first time slowly, and then we'll come back to it and read it 2 times. Okay? P harfi, piyola, cup, Uzbek cup. Piyoz, onion. Peshona, forehead. Piyola, piyoz, peshona. Keyingi harf Q harfi. The next one is Quyosh, sun, quyosh. Qalam, pencil. Qalam, pencil. Quyon, rabbit, rabbit. Keyingi harf R harfi. Ruchka, pen. Rasm, photo. Raqam, digit. Ruchka, rasm, raqam. The next one is S. Su, water. Savol, question. Soch, hair. Son, number. Su, savol, soch, son. The next one is T. Tish, tirnoq, tongue. Tish is tooth, and pay attention how I'm reading it. Tish, not tish. Tish. Tirnoq, not tirnoq. Tirnoq, nail. Tongue, morning. The next sound, the next letter is U. Uch, U, uzum. Uch is 3. U is he, she, or it. Uzum is grape. The next one in our list is V harfi. Vaqt, time. Vatan, motherland. Varaq, paper. Vaqt, vatan, varaq. The next one is Kh sound. Khana, room. Khat, letter. Khata, mistake. Khana, khat, khata. And the next one in our list is Ye sound. Yette, 7. Yette, use is face. It also means 100. Yette use is 700. Yomg'ir is rain. 7. Yuz, yomg'ir. The next letter is Z sound, and the most popular word here is zor. Zor means great. Zina, not zina, zina, stairs. Zilzila, earthquake. Zor, zina, zilzila. The next one is O sound. Oyuncak. Oyuncak. Oyn. Orgimchak. Oyuncak. Oyn. Orgimchak. And then G sound, the one we need to practice a lot. G. Gildirak. G'oya, idea. G'oz, goose. Gildirak, wheel. Gildirak, g'oya, g'oz. Next one is Sh sound. So we have such words like shahar, city, shamol, wind, shfakhana, hospital. Shahar, shamol, shfakhana. And the last one in this list is Ch. Chaqaloq, newborn. Chaqaloq. Chaqmoq, lightning. Chaqmoq. And chap, left. Chaqaloq, chaqmoq, chap. Okay, let's go back to the O sound where we stopped and read again the third part together 2 times. 2 marta. Hopma? Ketdik. Piyola, piyoz, peshona. Piyola, piyoz, peshona. Quyosh, qalam, quyon. Quyosh, qalam, quyon. Ruchka, rasm, raqam. Ruchka, rasm, raqam. Suv, savol, soch, son. Suv, savol, soch, son. Tish, tirnoq, tong. Tish, tirnoq, tong. Uch, u, uzum. Uch, u, uzum. Vaqt, vatan, varaq. Vaqt, vatan, varaq. Xona, xat, xato. Xona, xat, xato. 7. Yuz, yomg'ir. 7. Yuz, yomg'ir. Zo'r, zina, zilzila. Zo'r, zina, zilzila. O'yinchoq, o'ng, o'rgimchak. O'yinchoq, o'ng, o'rgimchak. G'ildirak, g'oya, g'oz. G'ildirak, g'oya, g'oz. Shahar, shamol, shifoxona. Shahar, shamol, shifoxona. Chaqaloq, chaqmoq, chap. Chaqaloq, chaqmoq, chap. So here's the whole list, and I told you 90, at least 90 words, even more. So this video helps you learn those words, pronounce them, and be familiar. What are the popular words, Uzbek words? Let me know which of them were helpful, which of them were useful. I would really like to know which words you learned thanks to this video, which of the words you learned pronunciation, you learned pronouncing thanks to this video. And here's the topic of the video. We looked at the most frequent words in alphabetical order. We also learned how to pronounce them. And I will see you in the next lesson. Siz bilan keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha xayr, sog' salomat bo'ling.